In this video, I want to show you how to convert Excel file to GPX file using Global Mapper. A GPX file is an XML-based format used to exchange GPS data. It stores waypoints, routes, and tracks, enabling users to share geographic information across devices and applications. So today I want to show you, if you have your data in Excel format, how can you convert it to GPX file using Global Mapper. So to start with, I have this Excel data. These are the names of states in Nigeria and their coordinates. So to convert this to GPX using Global Mapper, I'll show you how to do that. The first thing to do is to save this data in CSV format. And to do that, come to File, click on Save As, navigate to your working folder, and come here and choose CSV, delimited. Then give it the name of your choice and click on Save. Click OK and click Yes. So we are done with this. You can now close this file. So now let's go to Global Mapper. Open your Global Mapper and bring in that Excel file you have converted to CSV file. So to do that, come to Open Data File, navigate to that working folder. So and choose the CSV file you converted. Then click on Open. So this will bring this page where you need to select some import type parameter. Since my file type is just point, so I will choose point only. Then here the coordinate order. So if you look at our file, we can see the coordinate order, latitude before longitude. So if you come here, it will be the northern, that is latitude before longitude. So that is the order. Then the coordinate formats, if you go back, you can see it is in decimal degree. So here, click on the drop down and choose your coordinate format. This depends on the coordinate format of your data. So in my own case, it's decimal degree. Then here, the coordinate layout, the field to skip at start of line. If you look here, you can see that I have a field to be skipped before the coordinates, and also a field here, that is one row before the starting of the coordinates. So I have one column here and I have one row before the coordinates. So let's go back to here. So which means here I will put 1. It means it should skip one column before the data. Then here row, also I have one row before the data start. Then the coordinate pair is also 1. Having done that, I'm sure my data is in comma separated value. I can choose comma, but if you are not that sure, just put auto detect. So the software will automatically detect the format. So after we have done all this, click on OK. Then it will bring this page to define your projection. Click on OK. So it will bring this page for you to define your projection. My projection is Geographic coordinate system. So just click on the drop down and select your appropriate projection. Then after we have done that, the datum is WGS84, and also my planar unit is arc degree. So if you have elevation data, you also need to specify the unit of your elevation data in case you have elevation data in your data. So click on OK. So you can see it has imported the points into Global Mapper. Now what we want to do is to convert these points or Excel that we have converted to CSV and brought in into Global Mapper. We want to convert it to GPX. So to do that, come to the layer, right click the layer and come to layer. Then come to export to a new file. So click on it. Then here you have to select the format. So our format is GPX. Here is it, GPX. Click on it, then and click on OK. Then you can leave all these export options at default. Just leave it at default. Then this export bound, I want to export all loaded data. So just choose the one appropriate to you and click on OK. Then it will ask you to specify the folder where you want to save it. I still want to save it here. Then let's just name it GPX. Then the format is GPX. Click on save. So it has exported it. If we now go there, we can see the GPX we have exported. So from here, you can start to use this file in any GPX device. So this is how to convert your Excel file to GPX using Global Mapper. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching.